Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do this simple star nail art. So to start, I just have an acrylic palette there for my polishes and gels. I'm using my Luxa #2 nail art brush along with the gel bottle 3D paint. I'm just placing some of that onto my acrylic palette. Next, I'm taking the gel bottle Marshmallow. This is a really beautiful nude, sort of pinky color. Now I am taking a small bead of marshmallow and placing that over my prepped nail. This is a gel builder nail. Just smoothing that over the surface, a very thin layer. Now I'm getting ready to cure, and I'm just moving away any of my gel products from my lamp before curing. I just did one coat of marshmallow. Now I am taking the gel bottle matte top coat and putting a thin layer of that over the polish. I am giving that a quick cure. And you can see that beautiful matte top coat. Now I'm taking my 3D paint. This is again the gel bottle white 3D paint with my Luxa brush. And to start that star design, I am making an A. You can see the lines go out a little bit further than they would for the letter A. And then I'm just dragging that down, trying to match up those lines as closely as possible. Going over them and just filling in. And these stars really don't have to be perfect, especially when you're starting out. So I'm just sort of looking at where I want to place those additional stars and following that same process again, making an A, then dragging my lines, trying to match them up as close as possible. Another thing to consider is you want each of the points of the stars to be about the same distance apart. So basically you don't want one point of the star being a lot longer or further away from another point to try to keep them even. Another thing I learned from watching quite a few tutorials on Instagram is you can kind of get a feel for whether you like to work towards you or away from you. And so you can see that some of the lines I'm pulling towards me and some of them I'm pulling away from me. I don't really have a specific method that I follow, just sort of intuitive and finding what works for you. Also, just considering, the weight of the gel that you have on your brush, how much you have on it, how evenly distributed it is. Those are all important considerations, especially when doing fine line work like this. So you'll just get a feel for that as you're practicing doing these on your own. My camera cut me off right at the end there, but here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching.